Hi guys, Dr. Kristie Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion. Today, we are lying down. If you can't get on the floor, totally okay to do these in bed. Just keep that in mind. And if you're low on time, this one's perfect. So we're gonna get a little bit of mobility and some strength through our abs and our glutes. So let's get started. All right, let's start by taking a nice diaphragm breath in. So fill up that belly. And as you exhale, you're gonna bring those knees over to one side. Hands gonna go behind your head. You're gonna give a little lift here. So we're getting in through those obliques and trying to open up that spine at the same time. We're gonna alternate sides here. Ooh la la. We're gonna do 20 total, so 10 on each side. So that's 3. Be careful as you're doing this that you're not yanking your head. Try to keep that elbow open, lifting straight up to the sky. There's 5. If you need a little bit more looseness before you get started or just throughout the day, this is where the Derma Edge comes in handy. It gets some good blood flow going and gets things nice and loose and all those layers that are tight and stuck together unstuck. And I will link that for you guys. Here we are. There's 7, 8. You may even notice that you're able to get a little bit more motion. Your knees may fall further to the ground. That's 10, 11. Hopefully feeling things start to engage here. 12, 13. That was a little pop in my mid-spine too. 14, 15. Ooh, my abs definitely feel this. 16, 4 more to go. Here's 4, 3, 2, last 1. Yay. Okay, we're gonna cross one leg over. And if you can, you're gonna open up that knee a little bit, really get some stretch through that hip. Hand's gonna come behind the head again. And we're lifting and adding that rotation in. Again, notice I'm not yanking my elbow or yanking my head, or at least I'm trying not to as we do this. We're gonna get 10 on each side here. Think about engaging, pulling into that abdominal area too. Don't pooch out. It's very easy to do that, so try not to. There's 6, 7, 8. Really try to press that leg open. 9, and 10. Now cross that leg all the way. Ooh. And bring it over to the side. So I've got my left leg crossed. I'm crossing to the right. I'm going to take this left arm and I'm going to reach up and over. Reach it up and over. If that's too much, you can always just add that reach if that starts to bother your neck at all, or even straight up if that feels better for you. But here's 4, 5, and I'm going to support my neck a little bit actually too. 6, 7, think about punching the sky. 8, or whatever's over there. 9, one more is 10. Awesome. Okay, keep that leg crossed and you're going to drop those legs in the other direction. We're not going to add an ab one here yet. We're just stretching the other hip area, the other hip rotation. So it's actually the opposite side now that's stretching. We're going to take a nice breath. Exhale. Come back to the middle. We're going to switch. So crossing right leg over left. I'm going to drop my legs now to the right side. Left side. My left and right's mixed up. Supporting my head, and I'm going to reach and cross and punch. You don't have to actually make a fist if you don't want to, but you can. There's 2, 3. I'm exhaling as I lift. But the most important thing, if that feels weird to you, is just breathe. That's 6. Ooh, our hips should hopefully feel good. 7, 8, 9, my mid back is still popping, and 10. So keep that leg crossed where it is and just drop those knees over to the other side. Oh, some days are tighter than others, that's for sure. A nice breath. Good. Come on out of that. You're going to grab behind the hamstring. You're going to straighten that leg up as much as is comfortable. So it's okay if the knee doesn't go all the way straight. Obviously, we're getting a stretch into the hamstring and calf. Bring those toes towards you, and we're going to start to walk it on up. So walk it on up and walk it on down. That's one. You walk up as far as you can, but try not to tuck that head too much or strain with it. 2. You can even pull it towards you a little bit as you do this. 3, we're going to do 5 on each side. Again, breathing out if you can as you come up. 4, 1 more. And that's 5. Good. I'm going to switch it up. Other leg. Here we go. Reaching up. 1. It is tempting to want to bring my head towards my leg. I'm trying not to do that. I'm closing my eyes to focus. 3. 2 more to go. 4. 1 more of these. Okay, we're going to switch it up into those glutes a little bit. So get those feet about hip width apart. Slide them out so you have a nice bend in your knee, but not straightened out. You might have to play with the foot position to see what's comfortable. Think about lifting that butt up right now, and you're going to lift as high as you can without arching through the spine, in through the lower spine, or in through the rib cage. So we're going to just start with 10 little bridges like this to open up the front of those hips. And we're going to add on to it as we go. So there's 2, 3, waking up those glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep that butt up there. We are going to cross one leg over. Woo, so we're getting that hip opening again. And we're going to do a single leg bridge here. Try to keep this opposite knee open as much as you can. We're getting 10 and then switching to the other side. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, my knee is starting to move, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Uncross, cross the other one, and go ahead and lower it back down. Really think about press into that heel and foot. Squeeze those glutes so that your hamstrings don't start cramping. If they do, just uncross and go back to the regular bridge. That's 3. This side might be a little tighter for me. 4, 5, and at 10, we're going to hold it up there again. 6, 7, 8, whoops, I'm dipping. Try not to dip either. 9, and 10. So holding it up there. We're going to now turn our toes out and bring our heels together. Arms are going to come up. And you're going to raise those arms overhead as much as you can without, again, arching. And for me, it's about there. I'm going to bring my butt down and my arms down. So there's 1. That's 2. 3, 4, 5. You might get a little bit more mobility as you go. 6, or you might not. 7, almost done, guys. 8, 2 more, and then we're done with this workout. 9, and